Hi, another product review for you today, and today it's the Auto-Vox digital wireless backup camera. All our tuition cars have actually got backup cameras built in, but a lot of older cars don't. This car doesn't. It's a nice car, but no backup camera. Probably hadn't even thought of these things back then. So this is a retrofit kit where we can fit a little monitor somewhere in the car. Not quite sure where yet. That remains to be seen. And that will receive a signal from a rear camera that will mount near the registration plate. And it should be an easy install. Only 2 wires for the camera and a cigarette power, 12-volt power for the monitor, and we're away. Once it's all running, we shouldn't need to push anything to actually get it to work. Everything is provided. We've got all the leads, wire clips, a suction mount if we want to use it. Yeah, it should be quite nice. The size of the screen is 4.3 inches, again similar to an older sat-nav unit. The wireless transmission between the two means that there's less wires to run, and also it's digital, so there's no interference hopefully from Bluetooth, things like that. This is waterproof, so we shouldn't ruin it. Hopefully you can mount it anywhere on the outside of the car. There's a choice of reversing lines which we can select here to help us guide us. Yeah, again, perfect for the older car that's perfectly decent but not quite so easy to park. So I'm going to quickly set this up and back with you in a minute.
To install the monitor, we place the supplied suction mount onto the windscreen. It would also stick onto any other smooth surface if you had a suitable space on your dashboard. The power lead plugs into a 12-volt outlet, and the red light on the monitor confirms it is ready for use. The rear camera has a bracket that sticks behind the number plate, and the angle of the camera can be adjusted easily. We fed the camera's power lead into the rear of the car and connected it to the wires for the reversing light. The digital transmitter is integrated into the wiring and has a tiny aerial built in. As soon as we select reverse gear, the system starts up and the monitor shows the view from the camera. The buttons on the back of the monitor allow us to access a simple menu system with a few adjustments, in case you want to adjust the reversing guidelines or screen brightness, etc. However, we found the standard settings worked great for us right out of the box. For the first test, we wanted to try reversing back into our garage. After selecting reverse gear, the screen turns on automatically. The screen has good brightness and gives a clear image with no interference. The camera lens is 110 degrees, which is the perfect angle for a realistic view without any distortion. These are the standard guidelines, and with this camera placement, they cover about a metre of ground behind the car, perfect for when someone has left a small box where you usually park. Next, we drove to a local car park to test the camera system for real. Let's park on the left first. Matt prefers to use the 45-degree technique. Click the link above to watch our tutorial if you would like to polish up your bay parking. Notice we don't need to touch the unit at all, as it turns on once we select reverse. In this convertible car, the bright sunlight makes it hard for our camera to show the screen clearly, but Matt said it was still easy for him to see with his eyes. We'll try another space to the right next. We should mention that we should never rely completely on the camera's view when reversing, as there might be other hazards over our shoulders. A convertible car might be a little windy, but at least we have a great view all around the car. One last go and the camera system is still working perfectly. It was easy to install and works as well as the integrated systems in our other cars. If you have an older car and would like a reversing camera, then we would recommend this unit. Please click the Amazon link in the video description below to find out more. And if you would like to order one for yourself, then there is a 15% discount code for you to use. If you found this video interesting, then please visit our channel, as there are over 100 more tutorial videos to help you improve your driving. If you would like to help us make new videos, then please consider becoming a member of our channel. Thanks for watching.